And your Chardonnay, it's a death row button. To me it's too late. Isn't it ironic? Don't you think? It's like rain on your wedding day. It's a free ride when you've already paid. It's the good advice that he just didn't take. And who would have thought it figures? Mr. Played it safe, was afraid to fly. He packed his suitcase to kiss his kids goodbye. He waited his whole damn life to take that flight. And as the plane crashed down, he thought, well, isn't this nice? And isn't it ironic? Don't you think? It's like rain on your wedding day. It's a free ride when you've already paid. It's the good advice that he just didn't take. And who would have thought it figures? But life is a funny way of sneaking up on you when you think everything's okay and everything's going right. And life is a funny way of helping you out when you think everything's gone wrong and everything blows up in your face. Traffic jam when you're already late, and no smoking sign on your cigarette break. It's like 10,000 spoons when all you need is a knife. It's meeting the man of my dreams and then meeting his beautiful wife. And isn't it ironic? Don't you think? A little too ironic. And yeah, I really do think it's like rain on your wedding day. It's a free ride when you've already paid. It's the good advice that he just didn't take. And who would have thought it figures? Life is a funny way of sneaking up on you. Life is a funny, funny way of helping you out, helping you out.
Ew. Ooh. Ugh. Whew. She went back to her house.
What is
Did it
this?
record?
Wait, no.
Hey, if you consider our work to be of any value, consider supporting us on Patreon. If you're a Patreon, you get a free copy of my ebook, and we do monthly Google Hangouts. So consider doing that, if you would please.